show for you all featuring Diamond Lil and her famous Tweetsie can gems. In the unlikely event of an emergency, exits are located in the rear and front left of the theater. We'd also like to remind you that smoking is not allowed in any Tweetsie building. So sit back, relax, enjoy a snack, and get ready to put your hands together as Tweetsie Railroad presents Diamond Lil's Can Review. sweetheart. What are you gonna be, darling? An